Hello again, everybody. I hope all of you are having an amazing day. A quick update on Bitcoin and my view for the upcoming weeks. Now, bear in mind, what I'm going to share with you today is not a financial advice. By all means, take your own trades, do your own research, but this is the way I am going to trade Bitcoin and my view on the markets and where exactly and how exactly the market is going to play out and in what direction. Okay, because this is what everybody is interested in, which way Bitcoin is going to go. Now, of course, we did see a pretty boring range right here with some trades, only some trades, not a lot of day trading for me on this range. So let's get started with a public call that I did make right here. So please remember this region right here, very close to 10k. Okay, 9,919. So let's take a look. I was anticipating, okay, and this was made for public, okay, on June the 8th. I did anticipate a push up to fulfill a final wave, which is the fifth wave, before a much more bigger and impulsive move to the downside. Now, what am I looking for here on Bitcoin? What exactly I'm looking for? So, after analyzing the chart, I did come to a decision and a conclusion that this move down will be an ABC with a final target almost at give or take 8,700, 8,800, 8,600. Anywhere at this region, I will be interested in Bitcoin as a long. But for now, of course, I am looking to short BTC. If you didn't catch it, okay. So I'm seeing here a lot of comments where, not a lot, but some comments that are saying that people don't really want the C. Skip C, please. Yeah, no, thanks. Everybody is still stuck in the bullish mentality and thinking that price will not give a pullback. So the way I'm going to trade Bitcoin at this point is the following. So I did take a long to catch the fifth wave, not all of it to be honest because of the choppiness. Okay, let me zoom in at this point. Okay, let me zoom in. I did take some trades right here. So I did take this long, closed it. I did take this long right here. I did short this top. Okay, so I did enter a short position at the top and I will show you how I did manage to catch it. So based on this, I will move to the VIP Telegram. Now we have nothing to do on Twitter. I was just going to show you that this call is public. Okay, I'm not hiding. I'm showing my calls and I'm sticking to my bias. So which or how did I actually manage to catch the top? So this is how I plot Fibonacci. Okay, I was telling my group, I was telling them that my target is at the golden pocket. I'm targeting the golden pocket for shorts. And actually I was in a long position at the beginning here. I was anticipating a move up, didn't actually come. Okay, I took a loss on this, a 0.35 loss, but then I did make that money back because I did anticipate this to continue higher. What happened from here? We did actually go higher. Let me just show you the result. Okay, this did push up higher and I did make the money back. Of course, it was a much larger move up. So currently, wow, BTC is falling off a cliff. Not really off a cliff, but we're seeing bearish strength at this point. And it's no surprise, Okay, it is no surprise that BTC is actually falling. So yeah, what I'm looking for right now, of course, after filling the fifth wave, or uh, after finishing the fifth wave, I did show you how actually I did catch it. So let me just show you the result. Not here, this was for a long entry here. Okay, easy short on BTC. This was actually the short that I was waiting for 2 days. Okay, finally came. Entry 9,956. Not the exact top, but very close to the top. Let me plot a Fibonacci. Just as I said, golden pocket, we hit that pocket and we did fall off a cliff. So currently it's down almost $300 from first entry. Now I did close the I did close the short here down. I did flip to a long, and I'm going to be as transparent as possible. I did flip to a long here because I was anticipating a push up because of some technical reasons. I'm not going to show you exactly how I did or why I did say it might go up, but yeah, it did hit my stop loss, 0.3% loss. However, the long here was actually, the risk to reward for this long was insane. So this is why I took the long. Now that my bullish, or my only bullish scenario is over, I am anticipating more downside here on BTC. And what I like about this push down is that altcoins are taking a big hit, and this usually tells me that if altcoins are taking a much bigger hit, especially after seeing that altcoins did hold very, very well against BTC, this tells me that it could be a very, very interesting move down. I don't know why it's freezing. Yeah, okay. Okay, so how am I playing this? Okay, let's just move down to around here. So yeah, my target is almost 8,700. Now, how am I playing this? So let's zoom out and let me actually explain to you how I'm going to play this. So of course I will be laddering shorts, and I will be actually shorting pullbacks. I'm not interested in any longs. So currently I think BTC is still in the first wave. I'm looking for a second wave, which would be very good for a short entry to fulfill the third wave, fourth wave, and then the fifth wave coming down. So something like this, I am anticipating a pullback very soon, a possible pullback. I'm not going to time that pullback. If I have to zoom in to identify the possibility of a pullback, I need to actually start identifying some subwaves for this move. So to be honest, I think this could be something like this. Okay, so now I'm looking at the first wave. Okay, just to show you where we can add for our short. So I think this is 1, 2. We're going to finish the third wave here, probably a fourth wave, a fifth wave down. Then I think price is going to see an ABC coming up, which should be okay to finish the second wave. Okay, only then to actually start the most impulsive wave, which is the third wave, this one right here, which yeah, should be pretty impulsive to the downside. Fourth wave and the fifth wave ending somewhere around here, 8,700. So yeah, currently it's really hard to identify where exactly BTC. Okay, so currently it's really hard to identify where exactly the price is going to pull back, but this is why I will be analyzing BTC for the rest of the day and looking and patiently waiting for pullbacks to add on the short position. Okay, because one would be or one would actually wait for a pullback, okay, to add. I wouldn't, even though I am anticipating a push down, so if I enter here, I can easily place my stop loss here, and yeah, I am anticipating a push all the way down to here. But I want to enter big shorts, and therefore I really like to enter the shorts at the near the exact top or near the exact bottom. Just like I did here, I did manage to catch the short like at the exact top, something like this, something very similar to this kind of strategy. I really like to catch shorts at some very good entries because I can have a much bigger position and therefore make more money. But if you want a short entry, the best thing to do is wait for a pullback. Okay, and what I mean by pullback, I don't mean something like this. Okay, a $20 pullback. I mean something, an example of a pullback. So a push down, pullback, push down, something like this, a much bigger pullback in order to add for or in order to add on to the short position. This is, by the way, only if you're trading BTC. Now, as I said, this is not financial advice. Do whatever you want. If you think Bitcoin is going up, trade it as you want. I trade what I see. If I will see, or if I see any bullishness coming on Bitcoin, if I see strength coming from the bulls, I will of course long Bitcoin and not really care about what I predict. I really care about making money and actually trading what I see and trading the charts. So some altcoins that I am interested in shorting. Okay, if BTC is going down, I will be interested in shorting some altcoins, and these altcoins, so I'm interested in shorting Cardano. Okay, because of this huge rise that happened, I do believe Cardano can actually see a much stronger push down. So you can see that even a 50% push to the downside isn't something big at all for Cardano, you know, because this has been going up for a long time. Okay, and if Bitcoin is bearish and basically the whole market is bearish, then by all means Cardano can go down, and altcoins go down much stronger than Bitcoin. Ethereum also would be a pretty nice short. Okay, still at the highs. This is why it's important to identify a direction before everyone else tries to do so. So prices are still at the highs. Some very nice risk to reward for short entries. So there you go. This is my prediction on Bitcoin and how I am trading BTC for the upcoming week. Thank you for watching this video, and I will keep you updated. Cheers. Bye bye.